Saute garlic. This will include our ginger, onions, then we add patis and our ginisa mix. That's ginisa mix. We add our 1 liter water. It's best if you use the rice water or hugas bigas. At this point, I can add my mussels. Nilinis ko na siya. Lagyan na rin natin ng paminta or black pepper. Then let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. While I do that, linisin na natin yung veggies na gagamitin natin. Using baby bok choy. Using hot water. Oh, nausok. Bigyan tayo ng napaka-cabbage. Sundo natin siya. Ganyan ko lang naman hiwain ng napaka-cabbage. Ayan. Ready to serve. Halika, kain na tayo.